Phoenix on the right as we go. This is Phoenix Rising, the new family coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa. This is an inverted coaster for B&M, but not their big ones. This is meant for families. Yeah, I've ridden Big Bad Wolf and one of the ones in China, so we'll see how this one compares. Like it?
That's cute.
Yeah, definitely loud and sound rattly, but smoother than it sounded. So overall, fun little ride.